Hello, friends! Imagine this. You've just enjoyed your favorite sweet treat. Maybe a slice of cake, a handful of candy, or a big spoon of ice cream. It tastes amazing, right? But while you're feeling happy, something else is happening in your mouth. Something you can't see. After you eat sugary foods, tiny bits of sugar stick to your teeth. Even if your tongue doesn't feel it, it's still there. And in your mouth live millions of bacteria. Some are harmless, but others absolutely love sugar. When sugar is left on your teeth, it's like you've invited those bacteria to a feast, and they show up fast. These sugar-loving bacteria eat the sugar and make a type of acid as waste. This acid is bad news for your teeth. Because it attacks the enamel, which is the hard protective outer layer that keeps your teeth strong. Enamel is tougher than bone, but even it can be damaged by acid. The moment you finish eating sugar, the acid attack begins and can last up to half an hour. If you don't brush or rinse, your enamel keeps getting weaker, losing tiny bits of minerals each time. Over days and weeks, that damage can add up, and eventually, small holes form in your teeth. These are cavities. At first you might not feel anything, but as the holes grow, they can cause pain, infections, and even lead to losing the tooth entirely. The worst part, once a cavity forms, you can't fix it by brushing. Only a dentist can repair it. But here's the good news. You can stop this from happening. If you brush your teeth after eating sugary foods, you wash away the sugar and bacteria before they can make too much acid. If you can't brush right away, rinsing your mouth with water helps too. Cutting down on frequent sugary snacks gives your teeth time to recover between meals. Taking these simple steps means fewer cavities, stronger enamel, and a healthy smile that lasts for life. So, next time you enjoy something sweet, remember, your toothbrush is your best defense. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like it and subscribe. I'll see you for the next story.